Shit. Tambay lang ako sa mo. Nag-loading lagi. Okay. Can my be that I've shared what I made. Ako sa tambay ni sa mo kan. Not all the way through. I've never been perfect, but neither have you. So if you're asking me, I want to shoot. When my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Mag-andam ko daan og kuan. Magdala ko biskwit tri unya, gatas. Kuna pa gatas. Kasi wala ni gatas sa kuan. Kay basig wala sila paliton nga pagkaon or na may time nga di ko nila tagaan. Di ko apilan ba? So mangandam ko isud pod, di ba? Isud di ko mangandam, ako may luoy. Di ba? Ay, naewan ko yung pon. Nagtambay ko ka Ma'am Ila. Magkara ni hilom. Butang taka bulusa, dalawang taka ha, Ma'am Ila, dalawang taka sa akong bulusa, butang taka. Don't present me when you're feeling empty. May pag kinakakuan siya, naka-screencast, so naka-silent man. So timing, ang music rin ako mapaminawan. Ayun, isa ako sang tiwas na akong labhan. Pretending someone else can come and save me from myself. I can't be who you are. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on to so much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around. Mali akong panihaponon kung dili ko nila tagaan og panihapon. Mangandam pa. Ba? Ma'am Lucia, salamat kay Ma'am Lucia sa patamsak, sa patambay. It's not like I make the choice. I know I'm not the center of tura akong kwarto. If you keep spinning around me just the same. Panihapon ako, Luz. Walker. Mara siyang ulusir. Holding on. Patatubigan. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. So much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy? I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. I know I'm not the center of the universe, but you keep spinning around me just the same. And I drive myself crazy, thinking everything's about me. Holding on. Why is everything so heavy? Holding on. To so much more than I can carry. I keep dragging around what's bringing me down. If I just let go, I'd be set free. Holding on. Wait, may pang gatas? Empty. Wala na. May naiwan kahapon dalawa. Yung alaga kong si Sarah, ang lakas ng gatas. Okay lang, tubig lang, may problema. Ay, gawa ako ng tea. Wait lang. Gawa ako ng milk, ilagay ko sa thermos. Baunin ko sa loob. O, diba? Nun lang, buhay. Para-paraan lang ba? Blowing up in a